Hello everyone, this is the report for the second week of the beta career. I will tell you what I encountered this week. I was testing my refactoring and making sure that the new service worked and help my colleague to create tests. I had to fix some bugs in the refactoring. After the refactoring, it was impossible to check the action in service with REPL. REPL is a tool to help us checking functionality. The problem was the actions in the REPL were definite from the NAT server, but if you remember, we removed the NAT server in project. But the problem was solved by changing the config for the REPL broker. Our bank launched a new service on our site homecredit.kz, and I had to manually check the new service. I check the code part. I mostly help my colleagues. The code. I helped my colleagues. The code was very clean. I didn't find any flaws. So after checking the code, I went to check the functionality. There were some problems with the deposit calculations, but it solved very quickly. Uh, so and there is but uh, I can show you what it looks like visually. Uh, Sorry, but as soon as we'll launch the new service, I will tell you and show uh, you in the next reports. Okay. I also will help Caligo write Autotest. This is not particularly different, but the most interesting thing in the test is coming up with cases where your project breaks. We were engaged in writing out the test for the API. We divide Autotest for service and Autotest of IP into different directories in order not to get confused where the Autotest for service and where the Autotest of IP. So I wrote Autotest using HTTP request, and for checking I used I, I wrote Autotest for IP using HTTP request, and for checking for Autotest for uh, sorry, I wrote Autotest using HTTP request, and for checking I used Chai framework. It's for IP. So this week I did such tasks. So see you next week. Bye.